Hi. Welcome in. Room 15362 on the Carnival Jubilee. Come on in. Alright, well, as soon as you walk into the room, you'll have the bathroom to your left and your closets to your right. Actually have a pretty good bit of space in these closets, in my opinion. You've got your safe here, place to hang, little shelves, and we always put our shoes on the very, very bottom. And then you have another hanging space here. So it's actually a pretty good bit of room, and you can make more cabinet space if you want to with these. Just FYI, you can pull those down. I didn't pull it down, but I'll show you how. Let me show you how. Can you see me? Like that. So if you'd rather have cabinet space than the closet, just pull those down. So there you go. And then you have the other one. And it's basically the same way. If you want more hanging space, you can pick this thing back up, give you more hanging space. There, oh, there's a bar under there. I didn't even notice that. Just FYI. So you can actually have 2 racks of hanging if you want to. Plenty of hangers. There's always plenty of hangers in these. And same thing over here. Alrighty. And then your mirror, your big mirror's on the back of this wall. So come on in. We'll show you the bathroom last. So we've got our desk here, and this is a balcony room. It's not a jut out, but it's kind of in the corner a little bit. Plenty of space in here, plenty of space. The walls are all magnetic, as you can see. We have all of our little hooks with the hats and so forth. His magnetic sunglasses that, if you've ever watched the channel, you know he loves. You have the refrigerator here, which is, I mean, it's kept the drinks pretty warm. And then you have your shelves here, your cabinets, I mean, your drawers. Y'all know what that is, the drawers. The top one, you know, it's always got all the junk in it and so forth. You've also got storage in your bench. So if you have a ton of stuff, we had more than enough room. We didn't have to store anything in the bench, didn't even use all the closet space. And then you have your 2 shelves there. That's where all the equipment goes. Ronnie's equipment. So over here you've got your couch, which you can sleep on, and I think it does pull out. I know it does pull out to make a bed as well. And then you've got the little lights here. All these little silver things, those are lights. So if you'll come over this way, you'll see you have 2 beside your bed that also has plug-ins. I don't think there is a plug-in under the bed. I didn't even check. Did you?
I didn't see one.
Yeah, I didn't check. And then your TV is on the back side. All right. Balcony time. Come on. It's a really nice balcony. Because it's not straight. We do have a little bit of a jut out here, but I don't think this is considered a jut out room, but it's kind of on the corner. You got somebody's straw trash. But come check out this view. Beautiful, huh? There's another cruise ship off in the distance. Look how blue that water is. Gorgeous. Okay, y'all don't want to stay out here all day, I don't guess. I do, but come on. Let's go back in. Alright. The room was pretty cool. If you need a fan, just make sure you ask for it early. One thing I will tell you, ask for a mattress topper as soon as you get here. I do not remember these beds being this uncomfortable the first time, but they were pretty bad this time.
Yeah, pretty rough.
Pretty bad. All right, and then here is our bathroom. So, got your things where you can hang stuff. You also have the little hooks or knobs over on this side too where you can hang stuff. I put the blow dryer there. It actually doesn't fit in the top drawer like it normally does. So I didn't want it taking up my drawer space, so I just hung it up here. Come on in. You'll see we have the shower and the shelves where you can, there's only 2 sets of shelves in these rooms. The bathroom is pretty small, very tiny actually. But you do have some storage down here. So you know, if you need to put extra stuff down there, you can. And then you'll see the glass door shower, which is plenty enough room. It's very roomy. I love the shower head where you can actually take it off and it's, you know, got the bendable cord. So that's great. All right, well that about wraps up room 15362 on the Carnival Jubilee. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know if you've stayed in this room or what you think of it. Thanks.